Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a friend request on your Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete a friend request on your Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. You can see the two-person icon on the top corner of your screen just beside the home icon. Tap over there, and this is the place where you will see all of your friend requests. Now if you want to delete a friend request, you can see the delete option available over here on my friend request. Now to delete it, tap on delete, and you can see the request removed available or appeared on the account. And there guys, this is how you delete a friend request on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.